Important. Precaution. Leather and fur items should only be treated in the air fresh cycle. Be careful not to put these items through the refresh cycle or sanitary care cycle, as steam can cause permanent damage. Never put loose, empty hangers in your LG styler, as they may cause vibrations or noise and could even cause damage to interior surfaces if they fall. Please check your clothing and accessories type before using the LG styler. Also, please check the care label of your clothes to prevent damage. Never put ties, clothes made with velvet or silk, electric blankets, or clothes with adhesives in the LG styler. Course download for NFC. Use the LG SmartThin Q app to easily pick the right cycle for your needs. The application does not operate on iOS. Using the NFC function, simply connect your smartphone with the product. Select from a variety of cycles conveniently, organized by drying, sterilizing, warming, and more. When your selections are made, simply tap your phone on the Tag On icon. You can download the selected cycle on Styler. Once you download the cycle, you can use it anytime you want. Refresh. Let's check out how to use LG Styler's refresh course. Please check the water tank on the right. Fill it to the water line. Once charged to the max line, you can use LG Styler 3 to 5 times. Please check the drain tank on the left. Drain the tank if there is any water. The aroma sheet, which adds aroma to your clothes, can be adjusted on the right side of the packet, which opens to control the amount of the scent. The convenient way to look fresh and neat every day. Shake off wrinkles and odors with True Steam and a moving hanger. Put your clothes in the styler. Press the power button to turn it on. Choose the refresh setting, then the cycle to meet your needs, and press start. Gentle dry. Gentle Dry specially cares for clothes without worries of shrinkage or damage, with a low-temperature drying system without tumbling. Put your clothes in the styler. Turn it on. Choose the Gentle Dry setting, then the cycle to meet your needs, and press start. Sanitary care. Let's check out how to use LG Styler's sanitary setting. First, check the water tank on the right. Fill it to the water line. Once charged to the max line, you can use LG Styler 3 to 5 times. Styler easily sanitizes fabrics and other items that are difficult to wash. Sanitary cycle with True Steam helps reduce allergens and germs. Put the item in the styler and turn it on. Choose the sanitary care setting, then the cycle to meet your needs, and press start.